It's time to dive into a blast from the past, but with a futuristic twist. Nokia, the brand that shaped an entire generation of mobile phones, is back to make waves once again. Today, we're talking about the rebirth of a classic, the Nokia 7610 5G. Now, the original Nokia 7610 is remembered for two things: its bold, leaf-like design and its polarizing off-center keypad. It wasn't just a phone, it was a statement piece. But let's be honest, that quirky keypad, it was more about looks than usability. The 7610 5G stays true to its roots with sharp and curved corners that give it that signature leaf shape. But Nokia ditched the old, cumbersome keypad layout for something more practical. We now have a standard T9 style keypad, but it's still placed off to the right, paying homage to the original's quirkiness. But what really sets the 7610 5G apart are the nostalgic features we rarely see in modern smartphones. First up, a headphone jack. Yes, you heard that right, no dongles needed. And for those who hate glued-together designs, you'll love this. The 7610 5G has a removable battery. Swapping out your battery is as easy as it used to be. While the 7610 5G has plenty of retro charm, it doesn't shy away from modern functionality. The operating system is a sleek, Android-like interface that's easy to navigate. It's got everything you need from a 5G smartphone while still standing out from the crowd. So, is the Nokia 7610 5G for everyone? Maybe not. But for those who love a phone with personality, that's more than just a rectangle of glass. This might just be the perfect fit. It's bold, it's different, and it's a piece of Nokia history brought back to life. Now, it's your turn. Would you rock the Nokia 7610 5G? Or is this a swing and a miss from Nokia? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech that stands out. See you in the next video. Peace out.